Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super duper exciting. It is finally here we are at what, almost October. It is finally my complete collective what I got for my birthday for 2021 luxury haul. We've got Hermes, we've got Amina's, we've got Prada, we've got Louis, we've got tons of stuff. So without wasting any more time rambling, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. If you are new here, my name is Bree. I post videos about everything real life luxury. So if you are interested in any of those things, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join the real life luxury family. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video, which is typically Wednesday or Thursday, but always on Sunday. So you guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Bree Caramore, all one word, all spelled out. Woo! I love you so much, and I'll see you in the video.
And now I'm stargazing, used to aim for the stars, but I've been scarred lately. Taking keys, stealing cars, we just some lost babies. Live too fast, now I'm grown. Excuses in my head, I ain't thinking I'm wrong.
But also, before we just dive right in, hello, who is she? We've got short hair. So you guys, I got my hair done last night. Big chop, chopped it off. Yes, these are extensions, but I can still say big chop if I want to. Because you know, I usually have like 24, 26-inch weave, but it's short hair for fall. It's giving me sophisticated, it's giving me sweet, and I'm really loving it. So shout out to my hairstylist. So you guys, really quick before we hop into the video, I do want to just give you a little OOTD and show you what I'm wearing. Even though I'm actually going to be doing a try on for this outfit, but I just know you guys will ask. So this is actually the super pretty set, and it is from Fashion Nova. It's from Fashion Nova, so it's floral. It's all like netted. It does come with the little built-in panties, and then I'm wearing my David Yurman cable cord bracelet, Rolex watch, Dior earrings. I thought it was very appropriate for the birthday video. So you guys, before we hop into the official haul, I just want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video. You guys already know what's up. You already know what this is. It is Rose Forever in New York. You guys, I have partnered with them one other time previously. I'm obsessed with their flowers. Before I actually partnered with them, I had purchased one of their rose boxes by myself with my own money. Thank you very much, because she's a strong, independent woman. But anyways, and I absolutely love them, you guys. So huge shout out to Rose Forever for sending me this gorgeous, amazing rose box. Birthday present number one. Okay, so first, I just want to let you know how this is going to work. So I have done 2 hauls previously. We'll pop them right there. One was like my pre-birthday haul. One was like my pre-birthday haul. There was actually 3. And then one was like my post-birthday haul. I don't know what I was calling them. But so I'm going to show you everything that I showed you in this haul, those hauls, plus some things that you haven't seen, some new stuff, some new stuff. So first off, we are gonna start with things that you guys have already seen in those videos. Okay, so first up are a pair of very special Amina Muaddi heels, you guys. These are the Amina Muaddi Julia heels. I'm completely obsessed. I once said that these were like my dream shoes, and it is still the case. They are absolutely gorgeous. So it's like this PVC or plastic material. They've got these beautiful clear spikes, and of course the classic little martini heel. They are so cute. They look super cute on me. I haven't gotten to wear them out yet, but I cannot wait. They are absolutely adorable, and I am completely obsessed. So in keeping with Amina Muaddi, it is another pair of heels, you guys. I have honestly become Amina Muaddi obsessed. So these are the Amina Muaddi. These are the Gilda Sandal, and they are in this amazing satin orange with the gorgeous rainbow crystals. Like, these are a heck of a shoe. I'm so in love with these shoes. They are definitely show-stopping. I have worn them before, Actually, okay, come on. I actually wore these out for like a pre-birthday dinner that one of my friends and I did together, and they were so cute. The outfit was super, super cute. If I can find some pictures, maybe I will pop some in, but how gorgeous is this shoe? I'm obsessed. So moving right along, surprise, surprise, it's another pair of Amina's. So another pair of Amina Muaddi heels. So these are the Amina Muaddi. They are the Begum heel in the satin, and it's in that brand new season orange. They're amazing. I wore these heels on my birthday trip to Amalfi, to Italy, and took some really, really beautiful pictures in them, and I will definitely try to pop some on screen and maybe even a little video clip because I took a really cute video. But how gorgeous are these shoes? The orange is literally like just spectacular. Okay, so next up are my, they're so pretty, my Hermes Oran sandals. They are the fluffy Hermes Oran sandals in this gorgeous, like bright, intense, hot pink color, you guys. I'm obsessed with these. They're so gorgeous. I love them, and they're so comfy. They literally are the equivalent of like walking on a cloud. Obsessed with these. Need them in every color. So cute. So next up is definitely one of my favorite birthday presents, if not like, I don't want to say my all-time favorite, but it's definitely one of my favorites. And you guys already know I am the book tote queen. And so this is the amazing ultra exclusive. It's the Christian Dior Fall and Winter 2021. It was called Dragonfire, and it's the iconic book tote. They do have a Lady Dior. I really do want it. Excuse me, it's a D-Light. But I'm obsessed. So it's this gorgeous orange color. And if you couldn't tell, orange was very in. Like, orange was having a moment. Gorgeous hot pink, and then it's got all these adorable, like, I think we said they were T-Rexes. How cute is this, you guys? How gorgeous. This book tote is just stunning. I'm obsessed with it, if you can't tell. Okay, so last but certainly not least, before we get into the new stuff, it was my big birthday present from Hermes. So first up, you've got my gorgeous Twilly. I think I said it was the Batanga Twilly. I believe that's how you say that. But how gorgeous is this? And okay, that's it. It's just a Twilly. JK. So, oh my gosh. And if you guys haven't seen this video already, please go watch it. I'll pop the card for it up there. Ooh, okay. That's it. That's the clip. Like, oh my gosh, this bag is freaking okay. So, fly. Anyways, I'm being assaulted. So this is, wow. This is my Hermes Kelly 25 Epson leather. The color is Blue Paradise or Blue Paradis. It's spectacular. Like, it's literally just stunning. The bag is stunning. So this is the Twilly that I bought to go on it. But honestly, guys, I have not worn the Twilly on it since I got the bag, because like the bag is just like, it doesn't need it. But like, how gorgeous. Okay, thumb. Anyways, yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I can honestly just do a whole video about like my obsession with this bag. It's extremely wearable. I wore it the very first, no, not the first I got it. I wore it after I filmed with it, the day I filmed with it, and unboxed it. But it is so stunning. Like, the color is so versatile. I love that the color changes in different lighting. It's just, it's beautiful, and I'm very blessed. So last big present, and now we're gonna get into the new things. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna show you two really special items. They were actually a part of my birthday look. I'll pop a picture right here, and I'll leave the card for this video up there. It was my birthday get ready with me, and then there was like a birthday brunch, like birthday weekend. And it is this little baby right here. So you guys, You know that I'm obsessed with these little novelty things. I think they're so gorgeous. And I saw this one and knew that I had to have it, especially for my birthday. So this is a Swarovski crystal ice cream cone clutch. You guys, like, it's just giving iconic. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's just so beautiful. So pretty. I'll insert some really pretty pictures that I took with it, with my nails that I had for my birthday, because it just looks so gorgeous. But like, how amazing is this clutch? Super cute. Okay, so next up is another pair of Amina Muad'Dis. You guys have not seen this. I mean, they went on social media and I did post, like, you could see them in the video, but I didn't do an actual unboxing. So it is another pair of Amina Muad'Di heels. Shocking, surprising. Yeah, Amina Muad'Di really did her thing this season. So gorgeous satin pink dust bag, and they are, you guys. So I got another pair of Gilda Amina Muad'Di heels, but these are not the 3-strap, it's just the 2, and they're in that amazing lilac color with the multicolor crystals. How gorgeous. Just stunning. So absolutely obsessed with these. Ugh. I love the crystals. I love the lilac. Like, I saw you fly. It's fine. Just absolutely stunning. Like, and they were gorgeous. Like, it was such a vibe because I did these and then I paired them with this clutch, and it was such a vibe. Yeah, so cute. Okay, so next, it's another pair of Amina Muad'Dis. Like, what's going on here? So, like I said, for this birthday, I kind of went Amina Muad'Di crazy, and we got a lot of them. So, this is actually the same shoe. And if you guys, I actually did a vlog, and maybe I'll put it up here if I remember, if I can find it, where I tried these on. I didn't actually buy them that day because they didn't have them in my size, but I went back for them. So it is another pair of Amina Muad'Di Gilda heels. This time they are in the silver, and they are in the same multicolor crystal design. How gorgeous are these? Like, I love that they do the crystals here. They're so beautiful. So gorgeous. I'm obsessed with these. I actually just got these in a couple of days ago. But how beautiful, oh my gosh, are these shoes? Like, they're just absolutely stunning. So pretty. Okay, so we are making our way downtown. No, I'm just kidding.
Making my way downtown.
We're making our way to the end. So you guys, I'm completely obsessed with these 2 things I'm gonna show you next. They're the exact same, just in a different color. Who am I? I have so many pairs of these already. Hint, hint. But these are new season. I saw these and honestly bought them immediately before I had seen the other ones, because if I had seen the other ones first, I just probably would have had 1 pair. But anyways, so it is the Louis Vuitton. It is the slipper. It's in that like cream teddy material, but then the LV and the logo is in this neon gorgeous hot pink color. Like, and when I tell you these are comfortable, these are literally the most comfortable house shoes you'll ever have. And what I really love about them is, look at the bottom. So if you know, the bottoms of like the other Louis Vuitton slippers are just like slipper material, so you couldn't really wear them outside without ruining them, like moi. But Louis Vuitton got smart, and now they've got like this actual like rubber sole material, so you can wear them outside without ruining them. Yeah. Okay, so let me just slip them off my feet and show you the next item. Listen, I would not have been able to live without these, so I'm just gonna, ooh. Okay, So again, ooh, Louis Vuitton slipper, same shearling, but this time it's in the reverse. So the cream is on the LV and the logo, and that gorgeous neon hot pink color is on the actual slipper. You guys, like, I had to have both of them. Like, there was just no way around it. So this is what they look like. They're so gorgeous. I'm completely obsessed. Okay, so we're getting really excited because we made it to the end, babies. I almost said bitches, but sorry. We made it to the end, y'all. Y'all, I sound like such a Texan, and I'm not. We don't say, well, actually we do, I think in Nebraska anyway. We made it to the end, and this next item I'm really excited to show you. I literally just got this in a week ago as well. That's why it kind of took me so long to post this video, because I was waiting on some things to come in. So this might be unexpected for some people. I don't know if I've talked about it or like put it on a wish list or anything like that. So, and I know you're like, is this a Prada box? Like, what's this Prada box doing here? Well, I'll tell you, or show you rather. So, Prada box. Okay. And let me just open her up. Like I said, I don't know if anybody is like guessing about this or knows what it is. Okay. And I'm guessing you can tell definitely by the handle, but look, you guys, I had to get my hands on this. Of course, by the time I wanted it, it was sold out. I think they've since then like done a re-release, but like how amazing is this? So it's got the little Prada like placard here. It is this amazing teddy material. It says Prada Milano in black. So it is the Prada Re-Edition Hobo bag. I think that's what it's called, or just the Prada Re-Edition bag, but it's in the teddy. It's in this amazing fuchsia, and it's got the Prada Milano written on it. Like, it's just giving. Okay, it's giving. Well, you guys, that completes my what I got for my birthday for 2021 luxury edition. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed sharing these items with you guys. They're all literally labors of love. I'm so blessed and so happy. 2021 owes me nothing. It was an incredible year, an amazing birthday, full of ups and downs. Like, let's not play. But incredible nonetheless. I'm very thankful, very blessed. Thank you, Jesus, every single day. I hope you guys all stay blessed. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the support. I love you so much, and I'll see you in a couple of days.